The fuel pump is considered one of the most important parts of the fuel system. When the fuel pump goes bad, it produces different symptoms. This video explains the symptoms of a bad fuel pump. The primary function of the fuel pump is to deliver fuel from the fuel tank to the engine at a consistent pressure and flow rate. The fuel pump pressurizes the fuel to ensure that it reaches the engine under sufficient pressure. This pressurization is essential for the proper atomization of fuel during the combustion process in the engine. The location of the fuel pump in a car can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle. The fuel pump is usually located in the fuel tank of a car. Symptoms of a bad fuel pump. 1. Engine stalling. A bad fuel pump may not deliver a consistent flow of fuel to the engine. This inconsistency can result in momentary drops in fuel pressure, causing the engine to stall. Stalling often occurs during acceleration or when the engine is under heavy load. 2. Engine starting issues. A fuel pump that is beginning to fail may struggle to maintain the required fuel pressure, especially when the vehicle is started. This can lead to prolonged cranking times before the engine starts, or in some cases, the engine may fail to start altogether. 3. Loss of power. Inadequate fuel delivery from a failing fuel pump can lead to a reduction in engine power. This is particularly noticeable during acceleration, as the engine may not receive enough fuel to perform optimally, resulting in decreased power output. 4. Hesitation or jerking during acceleration. A fuel pump that can't provide a consistent fuel flow may cause hesitation or jerking sensations during acceleration. This is often felt as the vehicle struggles to maintain a smooth and steady acceleration. 5. Rough idling. A failing fuel pump can lead to an inconsistent fuel supply at idle, resulting in a rough or erratic idling condition. The engine may rev up and down or exhibit other irregularities. 6. Whining noise. A high-pitched whining noise coming from the fuel tank area is a common auditory sign of a faulty fuel pump. The noise is often more pronounced when the vehicle is idling, and it is caused by the pump's internal components wearing out or becoming less efficient. 7. Low fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is critical for proper engine function. A faulty fuel pump may not maintain the required pressure, leading to a decrease in overall fuel system performance. The reduction in fuel pressure can be measured using a fuel pressure gauge. 8. Check engine light. The vehicle's onboard computer monitors various parameters, including fuel system performance. If the ECM detects irregularities related to fuel pressure or delivery, it may trigger the check engine light. 9. Reduce fuel efficiency. A fuel pump that is not delivering fuel efficiently can contribute to reduced fuel efficiency. This is because the engine may not be receiving the optimal air-fuel mixture, leading to decreased mileage. 10. Engine overheating. In some cases, a bad fuel pump can cause the engine to run lean, meaning there is too much air and too little fuel in the combustion mixture. This lean condition can lead to increased temperatures, potentially resulting in engine overheating. 11. Engine misfires. Insufficient fuel delivery from a failing fuel pump can lead to incomplete combustion in the engine cylinders, resulting in misfires. Misfires can cause a noticeable loss of power and create a rough running condition. 12. Fuel smell from the exhaust. In cases where the fuel pump is delivering too much fuel or is malfunctioning, unburned fuel may pass through the exhaust system. This can result in a noticeable fuel odor from the tailpipe. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.